Okay, so other things I'm using Italian seasoning for my spaghetti, and chopped onions, it's all from Walmart, and red wine, which is not too sweet, not too chicken, but just right. Just kidding. I don't drink like that. I mean, I don't drink heavily. I don't drink anymore because, you know, with my meds and because of this diet and everything. This is Dash. Some of that has garlic and herb and parsley, basil, fennel, cayenne pepper, mustard, coriander. Mustard, I heard, was supposed to help lowering blood sugar. And what else did I have? Oh yeah, and of course mushrooms. These are mushrooms from Walmart, of course. It was only like $1 something. Okay, so yeah, so that's about it. Hawaiian salt, of course, and or sea salt. And yes, that's more natural. And one more thing was the thing about the tomato paste. You can see, I don't think you can, but it just says tomato pulp. That's it, just tomato pulp. And that's it. Can't be more natural than that. Okay, peace. I'm out.